You love your dog, but feeding them off your plate could land them in the ER or even worse. Here's the science about common household foods that are toxic to your dog and what exactly is happening inside their body once they consume them. If you own a dog or are looking at buying a dog, make sure you watch this video, save it for later, because this small amount of information could save your fluffy friend's life. Grapes and raisins. Even one single grape can cause acute kidney damage to your dog. The exact toxin is still unknown, but there is a lot of speculation and studies that suggest that it triggers proximal renal tubular necrosis. This essentially means that the kidney starts shutting down fast. Symptoms happen within hours: vomiting, lethargy, and the inability to pass urine. This one can be fatal because weirdly, even if they've eaten grapes before without a reaction, it doesn't have to be the first time. They can start getting a toxic reaction after the 7th, 8th, 25th time of eating grape. Chocolate. Chocolate contains a chemical known as theobromine, alkaloid in the same family as caffeine. The reason it's toxic is that dogs metabolize this very, very slowly, meaning that it builds up within the body and overexcites the heart and nervous system. Toxic dose, well, this depends on the type of chocolate that you're using. Darker and baking chocolates are more potent in these chemicals, so we'll get a worse reaction. But basically, it's about 1 ounce of dark chocolate per 20 pounds of weight of your dog. Symptoms of this would be tremors, fast heart rate, and even death. Onions and garlic. These allium plants contain thiosulfate, which can damage your dog's red blood cells. Dogs lack the enzymes needed to detoxify them successfully. This can lead to hemolytic anemia, meaning their red blood cells literally burst. You'll see symptoms such as fast breathing, pale gums, dark urine, and generalized lethargy and weakness. It doesn't even have to be in raw form, and powdered versions are toxic, so be very careful feeding your dog food that has garlic and onions in. Xylitol is an artificial sweetener used in a lot of sugar-free gums and sweets. Now, xylitol is dangerous because it tricks the body into producing a mass amount of insulin. This then causes a massive drop in blood sugars known as hypoglycemia, which in turn can lead to seizures, liver problems, comas, and even liver failure. Macadamia nuts. Now, this one includes an unknown neurotoxin that affects dogs but not humans. Just 6 nuts can cause weakness, tremors, hypothermia, and even seizures and comas. Point of the story: stick to plain snacks like carrots, plain chicken, or dog formulated treats. And remember, what's safe for you might be toxic for them. If you love your dog, learn about their biology, not just what they eat, but how their body works. This way, you will have a better understanding of not only what's safe for your dog, but their nutrition and how their body works, what it needs, and what it's lacking.